All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, the using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. 6-in-1 miners, crypto project, you name it. We love to talk about it on Frank's Crypto Corner. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. That's right. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter. The coin's down right this second. A lot of good things. Remember, Dogelon Mars is a cryptocurrency that we're going to use when we're traveling to Mars. So later in the future, when we're taking our little bus trips or airline trips to Mars, you're not going to pay for it in US dollars or euros. You're going to pay for it in Dogelon Mars. So the ticker is Elon, E-L-O-N, which is also a pretty good thing with Elon buying everything. And he definitely likes this coin. When we go to Mars, this is your cryptocurrency you will be using. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Also, when we're done, we're going to talk about BNB Crop Farmers. Got into that a little bit ago. And also Toasted Avax. Both of these little crypto projects have over $900,000 in them in just a day or two. So, pretty good stuff. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is number 113 right this second. It's down 6% for the last 7 days, which is not too bad. It's down 6%. It's down slightly in the last 24 hours. Take a look at everything on this. Everything's red, 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 red. It's the red time right this second. Again, I like when coins are 16% down. Anchor right here, 14% down, 1 inch for the discount. Ding, 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 discount buys. Clicking it, Dogelon Mars. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 9555. Probably when this coin does pop, we'll be eliminating a zero, but I'm going to come back for my price prediction at the end of this video. Going down here real quick, taking a look in the last day. So look at it, went up real nice, but right here, you got your little down part right this second. For whatever reason, Dogelon Mars doesn't do good on the weekends from past experience. I've done articles on that, videos on it, but in the weekend, it kind of goes down a little bit. Let's take a look at the last 7 days. Last 7 days, it did have this nice little peak here. Take a look at the peak, but it's in kind of up, down, up, down. It's going down. Over here at the Twitter account, got some good stuff going on here. Look at this. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me together, we'll reach the stars. So a couple of things going on. Don't forget about the Gloomy Bears right here. This is a month ago. But the first of many cross-universe collaborations, Dogelon Mars has entered the Gloomyverse. So we talked about that before right here, so check that out. This is the one I like. Love the work. You're truly a visionary. We look at that Elon right here. So you got Elon, and you know what he's doing. He's going to Mars, and if his billions or whatever, he's still converting it to Dogelon to pay for that trip to Mars there. So pretty good thing right there. Oh, there's the little Tesla. The symbols right there. I bet you when there is Land Rovers and different space things that they're selling, it's probably going to be coming right here from Elon. This is kind of big. It's right here. Binance Bridge 2.0 is now live. It supports cross-chain bridging of listing of unlisted assets. There's 9 tokens that are supported. Boom. Check this out. Here's the 9. I wonder if Dogelon Mars is there. You know it is. Right here, the Sandbox, ApeCoin, Jasmine Coin, Decentraland, VeChain, Peoples, Movie Block, Looks Rare, and Dogelon Mars. So what does this say here? Following things. The following is the recent launch of Binance Bridge 2.0. An initial batch of 9 tokens have been supported. Users are able to deposit the following tokens on an existing supported network and withdraw the corresponding BIP20 tokens. These tokens can also be traded on chain via decentralized exchanges that support the BIP20 token standard. Right here they got PancakeSwap. Dogelon Mars, Elon, is one of those that's going to happen. Now, think about this. There's always these tickers. Look at the Sandbox is Sand. ApeCoin is Ape. Decentralized is Mana. Well, Dogelon Mars, some people like to call it Dogelon Mars. I don't know. I've had debates with people that just as many people call it Dogelon Mars, they call it Dogelon Mars. But anyways, the ticker is Elon. You know, Elon, you know, buying Twitter and all that good stuff. There's not going to be any other tickers that are ever Elon. It may be Elon 2 or Elon 7 or Elon, but Elon is the ticker. You know, this Dogelon Mars is going to have some good old times here. So please note the bridge supports the bridge of listing assets on Binance.com, as well as selected unlisted assets to deposit untokens supported by Binance Bridge. Please find your deposit address for listed tokens of the same token standard and deposit to the address. For example, you may use the ERC20 ETH deposit address for depositing unlisting ERC20 tokens supported by Binance Bridge 2.0. The deposits will be credited to your funding wallet once the transaction is successful. The support of the assets of Binance Bridge 2.0 provides no indication towards a future possibility of the asset being listed for trading on Binance.com. Assets listed for trading on Binance.com go through a strict and separate listing review process. This is big news, everybody. 9 tokens supported on the Binance Bridge, and one of them, of course, is our favorite. You know him by the name of Dogelon Mars. Jumping over to the website real quick, Dogelon Mars. Right down here, there's 6 places on the website you can buy it. Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. It says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together we'll reach the stars. So join the community. You can join their Twitter. You can join their Telegram group. They got their comics right here of what's going on. They got a couple. You click it, it moves over. You click it again, it moves over. You kind of click it again, it moves over. So there's a little story there. There's another little article I wanted to talk about. And all the viewers, I want your comments. It says, Dogelon Mars declines after reaching ATH in April. Should you buy the dip? So, should you buy the dip, everybody? Should you get some Dogelon? Just a lot of good things going on. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, so you know our channel. We're talking about the coins going to Mars and the moon. We're always talking about the coins. I like talking about the coins, but we've been doing a lot of crypto projects, a lot of 6-in-1 miners. You know, we like the Drip Network. We definitely like Piston Token. Piston's freaking jumping off the charts right this second. But I want to jump over to BNB Crop Farmers and just kind of share this a little bit. This just launched the other day. All right, so right here is BNB Crop Farmers. Welcome to BNB Crop Farmers. Not doing a whole video on this, just touching it real quick. 6% daily, compound at 2%, 7% referrals, 12-hour compound timer, 4-hour cooldown period, 48 hours reward accumulation cutoff, anti-bot launch and stuff, 80% tax when you take your money out too early. You ain't taking your money out at 80% tax, and if you are, I'm not going to say you're silly. You're a silly person if you're paying 80% tax. Do the program the correct way, and you won't have to, you know, pay the tax. Take a look here. There's 26.55 BNB in this bad boy. What does that equal? Yeah, let's take a look. 26.55 times 396. There's already $1 million in this contract. So what did Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner put in? Yep, I put in 2.75 BNB. I just compounded today for the first time. So my little compound went over to here. So now I got 3.12 BNB. Over here, look at this. I can't sell the crops, which I wouldn't, until 1 hour and 46 minutes because of that 80% tax. I can't hire anybody. Right here, the next time I can have a hiring bonus is 9 hours from now and 46 minutes. So in 9 hours and 46 minutes, I can hire, and my cart won't be full until 45 hours from now. There's an anti-whale thing. You cannot just buy the coin, wait 20 days, and claim your rewards. After this timer, 48 hours, your card is full. You can't make any more rewards. You forget about it for 3 days, they forget about giving you rewards. You forget about it for 7 days, they forget about giving you rewards for 7 days. It just stays in the card. You have to interact with the actual contract. So I wanted to show you this BNB Crop Farmers, one of my favorites. And I wanted to show you Toasted Avax. This was a stealth launch the other day. Literally, there's 14,000 AVAX in this bad boy. Remember, there's 1 million BNB. How much is in here? 14,624. AVAX is, I think, $64 right now. Oh, there's almost 1 million. There's almost $1 million in this. I just did a video on this today, and they're saying that their goal, this is made by the founders of Baked Beans. They're saying they want to get this to 250,000 AVAX. If they did hit that goal, and listen, I love goal setting. I love, having something to target. But if they hit their goal, yeah, they'll have 16 million in this bad boy. So a couple things on that. Just wanted to share this, Toasted Avax. Go back and watch my video. I explain everything. So again, you got the BNB Crop Farmers, which is fantastic in my opinion. All my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. I'm documenting my DeFi journey in crypto. I want to go back 2 years from now when I have all this money in my crypto account and go, boom. Remember when Baked Beans did what it did? Boom. You remember when Toasted Avax? I'm doing this to document my journey. I'm also doing this to learn more about cryptocurrency because I research everything. But again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Make sure you remember that. Do your own homework. Let's head back over to Dogelon Mars with a little price prediction. Yep, should you buy the dip right here? Back over here at Dogelon Mars. It's down right this second. I actually think it's going to take out one of these zeros. We're at 95.61. I can see it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. I think the next time I do a video, there may be 5 zeros. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. That's my price prediction that we click over and knock out a zero here. All right, and right here at 113, all the little Dogelon Mars' friends is red, 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 red. Even Bitcoin Gold is down 13%. So Bitcoin Gold is down, Anchor is down. We got a lot of things down right this second. So, all right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button. Big news with the Dogelon Mars, with that bridge with Binance. That's fantastic news. Big news. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Click right here, and this is going to be the Toasted Avax video. And click over here, and you're going to learn about BNB Crop Farmers. My referral link is in there. Yes, YouTubers get a little bit of a credit for referring. Think of all the time we put into doing this. If you appreciate my videos, make sure you hit a like. If you appreciate my videos, there's the thanks button that's actually on now on the YouTube. You can hit the thanks. And then again, if you like my videos and you go to any of these things, use my referral link. I do appreciate it. I try to be as most transparent as possible. Oh, by the way, here, we'll do this. With these BNB 6-in-1 miners, you need to treat it like a hand of blackjack. You need to treat it like a cup of coffee. If you throw $5 in and you throw 25 bucks in, if you lose your $25 and it ruins your life, then don't do it. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Like if I lost $5 in the car today in the seat, I wouldn't lose my mind over it. So if you do any of these projects and you lose your money, you need to scale back a little bit. You're betting too much. You're putting much too in. Sometimes these DeFi projects is a bet. These are very high risk, very high reward. Kind of sounds like playing blackjack, huh? All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in on Saturday. We'll see you a little bit later on today. I'm going to be bringing you a little video on Piston Token. Have a great day.